We inform, we advance, we strengthened our knowledge and information. Greetings to everyone. On this video, we are going to talk about the events at Madlanga Commission. And then on this specific video, we are going to talk about one of the most controversial witnesses, who is the businessman and the member of ANC, Mr. Suleiman Karim. Mr. Suleiman Karim is been mentioned several times and is known to a man called Brown Mokgotsi, and is alleged to be a business associate of uh, Morgan Maumela and Cat Matlala. And then on this video, we are going to hear how his lawyers have tried to make him to give evidence in camera, raising several issues of safety, of which the commission denied and said, no, there were specific people that have made an application, and under specific circumstances, the application of either being unknown witnesses and being on camera have been accepted based on the situation and conditions. And it is the view of the commission that he is fearing to come and talk openly about his unscrupulous and unethical business transactions. Let us hear whether, for a first time, a man called Morgan Maumela is now coming to be known, how he had been involved into business, and then how did he get all the riches that he got. Because on the videos we will also see how Morgan Maumela has been into a business relationship with Suleiman Karim, and also with Ket Matlala.
I take very strong exception to that attitude.
I don't think...
In fact, I find it unprofessional for you to say that I have prejudged issues purely because I'm engaging you. I take strong exception to that.
I don't think that you should take exception. And
I do.
Page 6 of the evidence bundle, at the foot of the page, you see that on the 4th of February 2025, Mr. Matlala WhatsApps you a proof of payment, and that proof of payment is at page 36 of the bundle. It's the 1.5 million payment from Medicare to Tamiz.
Yes.
If you can then go to page 535, you will see that 7 seconds after Mr. Matlala sent you proof of payment to Tamiz, he sends the same proof of payment to Mr. Morgan Maumela.
Right. On the video, we can see how the lawyers tried to avoid getting Mr. Karim to testify like any other person, claiming he must testify in camera and making a long legal argument, of which at a certain stage ended up making Chairman Mr. Madlanga being highly irritated against the lawyer. But at the end of the day, Mr. Karim ended up testifying like anybody else. And there are several issues that are raised, of which the commission will deal with and round them up when he will be coming back on the 16th of April. But it's amazing, among the other things, how there will be a money that is repeatedly showing to be coming into his bank account as for a possible business purpose with somebody else, in both Ket Matlala and Morgan Maumela. But interestingly so, then later on or shortly after, somebody else or one of the two, especially like we see Morgan Maumela has done with him claiming that he need his 50 million rands, of which was part of the deal to do a business in the mine. He said no, he's struggling with his house and the other business or personal financial needs. Now he needs to get his money back. Now you ask yourself, why didn't he get his money? Why didn't he know that he will need this money before paying it into the account of Mr. Karim? And then you can see into the other situation that the money will be paid into his account by somebody else, either Mr. Maumela or Ket Matlala, specifically Ket Matlala. And then the payment that will possibly have to go to Morgan Maumela will go through first to Mr. Karim or vice versa. It is showing that this is alleged to be something that can be called the money laundering or the washing of the money, because if I am doing business with you and then you are my personal shareholder, why is the money not going directly to you? And then one of the very controversial situation that cannot be explained is how do Mr. Karim allowed about 1.1 million 200,000 to go out of his account, and then he's not even aware of it. Is it correct? And then when that money goes out, it goes to the very same person of which he paid the money before, about the amount of 88 million, but he still go on and then by mistake the money being paid, and still now he has not even picked up that the money has been paid into my Mr. Maumela account. So we can say up to this far, the Madlanga Commission is trying to build the case in regard to say this business relationship is very controversial and is possibly have some criminal element into it. But we'll hear on the 16th of April, what do they make out of it? But I can say what the biggest thing for us now is that at least we start to know a little bit or more about the man called Morgan Maumela. And one of the questions is, are we expecting Mr. Morgan Maumela to be coming at Madlanga Commission directly to testify about his controversy and why is he such a man that stand out to be untouchable, only to an extent that only Mr. Suleiman Karim is the man that come out and tell us more about men called Morgan Maumela. Let us hear what you say on the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.